Are green card holders still safe in the U.S. in 2025? Under the Trump administration, green card holders are being targeted, stopped, questioned, and even deported. And in some cases, it's over something as small as shoplifting. Hello, everyone. I'm Erick Widman, an attorney at Passage Immigration Law. We have offices in Oregon, Washington, and California. You can visit our website at passage.law to set up a consultation or subscribe to our free newsletter for regular updates, tips, and the latest immigration insights. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 urgent truths that every green card holder needs to know right now so you can stay protected before ICE shows up at your door. Number 1, ICE is targeting longtime green card holders. It doesn't matter if you've lived in the U.S. for 25 years or have children who are U.S. citizens. In 2025, ICE is targeting longtime green card holders for old convictions. You might be thinking, hasn't this always been the law? The law itself hasn't changed much. What's changed is how it's enforced. ICE has stepped up its efforts and shifted focus from serious or recent crimes to even dismissed or decades-old offenses. What used to be overlooked is now being used as a reason to deport people. We've seen cases where someone went on vacation, came back, and ended up in ICE custody right at the airport. That's why it's crucial to have your full criminal and immigration history reviewed by an experienced immigration attorney, especially before any international travel. Leaving and re-entering the U.S. can lead to a case inspection that puts you at risk of removal proceedings. Number 2, even a minor crime can lead to deportation. Certain DUIs, shoplifting, or getting into a fight might seem minor, but for a green card holder, these can cause serious problems, especially in 2025. Why? First, under Section 237 of the Immigration and Nationality Act, the INA, non-citizens can be deported for crimes involving theft or drugs, domestic violence, firearms, or anything called a crime involving moral turpitude. So those crimes are not treated as small mistakes under immigration law to begin with. Then let's take a look at the immigration climate in 2025. USCIS has been posting tweets like green cards and visas will be revoked if an alien breaks the law. At the same time, ICE has been digging through old records, looking for any reason to deport people. Small crimes are easier and faster to prove, so they've become a focus. This means even a charge you thought was minor or one that was resolved years ago can come back to cause big problems. If you have any criminal history, talk to an immigration attorney as soon as possible. The sooner you understand your options, the better chance you have to protect your green card. Number 3, a guilty plea can destroy your future. Pleading guilty might feel like the quickest way to get through your case, but it can seriously harm your immigration status. Of course, you want to avoid jail, keep your job, and protect your family. But even one guilty plea on a small charge can put your green card and your future in the U.S. at risk. Criminal defense attorneys are supposed to warn clients about immigration consequences, but many of them are not trained in immigration law and therefore don't fully understand it. This means that important details can get missed. And once you plead guilty, it's very hard to fix the damage. So before you say yes to any deal, talk to an immigration lawyer first. Getting legal advice can save you from losing your green card and your life here. Number 4, the only real protection is U.S. citizenship. We've said it before, and I'll say it again. Citizenship is the best shield you could have against immigration enforcement. Unlike green card holders, U.S. citizens cannot be deported in the vast majority of cases. Once you become a citizen, you no longer have to live in fear. You gain real stability, not just for yourself, but for your entire family. You can vote in elections. You can petition to bring your relatives to the U.S. faster. You can travel freely without fear of being stopped, questioned, or denied re-entry. Citizenship gives you more than just rights. It gives you peace of mind. In 2025, the message we get from the Trump administration is loud and clear. A green card no longer promises your future in the U.S. to the same degree. Immigration authorities have been active and much more aggressive than before. They're digging into old files, looking for reasons to take people out of the country. At Passage Immigration Law, we've helped thousands of clients in tough situations. If you're worried about deportation, we're here to support you every step of the way. And remember, the best long-term protection is U.S. citizenship. If you're eligible, we'd be honored to help you get there. Call or text us at 503-427-8243 or visit passage.law to schedule a consultation. If you know of anyone who could benefit from this information, share this video. because information is power. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for future updates, because knowing how the system works is key to succeeding in it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.